things that I wish someone told me before I start my YouTube channel, and it would have saved me quite a lot of time, quite a lot of energy, and of course quite a lot of self-doubt, and of course it would have increased my confidence over time. So if you're about to start a YouTube channel and you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or you're about to start, or you already get started with a YouTube channel, here's advice. I wish I got this advice, and I wish someone taught me this advice before I upload my first YouTube video. And I think there's a lot of YouTube gurus over there where they don't actually share these kind of parts, these kind of like advice where I think you might need it. And this is the advice I wish someone taught me before I start my YouTube channel. So first of all, it is supposed to be messy in the beginning. Your content, your first video, your first upload is going to suck, is going to be messy. Your first videos will feel awkward, your editing will feel off, even your thumbnails, your second, everything is going to everything is going to suck, everything is going to feel awkward. You will have no viewers, but that's not a failure, that's a growth. And not because like no one is perfect. You can't just be perfect and get started. That's not exist. And you don't need a fancy gear. You need just a clarity. What do I mean by clarity? You need to define what your niche is. You just don't start, bro. Before you get the cameras, before you buy the mics and all that kind of things, what you really need is a clear message. A lot of people, they confuse about it. They get there before they start figuring out what audience they're going to target. For example, now you need to to have a clear message. Who are you helping? What people are you trying to help? What are you sharing? What are you participating? Why should people care about your content? Why people should watch you? Your clarity is more important, and your clarity is fundamental and is powerful than any camera. You are not too late. You are not too late. You're just getting started. It's easy to think about the platform, about the crowded, too many creators over there, and too much content out there which is being put every single day. But here's the truth, here's the reality. There is always a room for a new voice. If you are about to start, you want to get started, just start, because there is always a room for a new voice. There's always a room for a new creator, because I think YouTube is the biggest platform. It's one of the largest, the second largest platform in the entire world. So you would start. It's kind of like if you want to, of course, and nobody can do it for you. Nobody can tell you, hey, here's the niche and get started. And it's not about that. And that's your power, to be fair, and consistency at the same time is important than talent. Let's say, for example, you figure out your niche and you upload, let's say, a month, like after every month. That's not going to get you anywhere. You need to be the most talented. You don't need to be most talented, to be fair. You just need to keep showing up every single day, even if you don't feel like it. Post weekly, set realistic goals, set sims, and even track your progress. And not your viewers, of course. Track what you're going to be improving. Next video. Every video you post, try to improve it. Every video you put it out there, try to figure out what the topic was look like. Did this topic help any person to to solve their problems? Did this one video help any person? Discipline, of course, beats perfection every time. And not everyone will support you in your journey. Do it anyway, and no one cares, to be fair. No one cares. Some people won't get it, and some people will judge you, will laugh at you, or will stay silent. But do it anyway. This is your vision, not theirs, okay? You are not doing for likes, for comments, or even doing it for purpose. You're doing it for purpose, for impact, for growth, for helping people out there. The algorithm doesn't hate you. The algorithm just needs you to learn. And it's not about luck. it's about a pattern. Strong titles, clickable thumbnails, watch time, real value, and of course, like, it's studied like a skill, because it is. Okay, it's all about skills. And of course, don't just create, connect with the audience. Any comments, connect with it. Any comments, reply to it. Ask questions, build a community, not just following. Okay, because viewers are numbers but impact at the same time. The legacy, and that's the legacy, of course, that's how you grow, and that's how you motivate yourself to keep pushing forward, to keep pushing foot in front of the other. So if you're about to start a YouTube channel, or you've already get it started, or you've been a YouTuber for a very long time and you're watching this video, I think you've been through this before, and you've been kind of like, you've been through all these fundamentals where I've mentioned in this video. And I think you just need to start and be consistent and try to identify your niche first, and that's all about it. And yeah, you're not too late, and you don't need to be perfect to get started. You just need to start, and messy and real and committed. Your message matters, your story matters as well. And the only real mistake that people are doing is waiting to begin, waiting to get started, waiting to attempt. And that's not important. The important thing is to get started.